5 Proven Ways to Make Money Online for Beginners, 2025. What if I told you thousands of people are making real money online every month, and most started with zero experience? In the next 5 minutes, I'll reveal 5 proven methods that beginners are using right now to make money online in 2025. Stick around, because method number 4 can get you paid within 24 hours. Hey Smart Money family! If you're new here, I break down money-making strategies into simple, actionable steps. Today, I'm showing you legit ways to earn online, no upfront investment needed. Let's jump right in. Method 1, AI-powered content creating. First up, using AI tools like ChatGPT to create content for businesses. Companies need blog posts, social captions, and product descriptions. You can use ChatGPT to help write this content and sell it on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Real example, Sarah from Texas started offering AI-assisted blog writing for $25 per article. She now makes $2,000 a month, part-time. The secret? Position yourself as an AI content specialist, not just another writer. Businesses love saving time and money. Method 2, affiliate marketing with free traffic. Next, affiliate marketing using Pinterest. Here's how. Find products on Digistore 24 or ClickBank. Grab your affiliate link. Create eye-catching pins on Canva. Post them on Pinterest with your link. Pinterest works like a search engine, your pins keep getting discovered for months. One pin can earn you passive income for years. Focus on evergreen topics like health, wealth, and relationships for the best results. Method 3, print-on-demand products. Third, print-on-demand. You create designs and sell them on products, no inventory needed. Platforms like Printify handle printing, shipping, and customer service. What works? Motivational quotes, funny sayings, and niche designs. Make simple text designs on Canva, put them on t-shirts or mugs, and promote on social media. Profit margins are 20 to 40% per sale, and you never touch the product. Method 4, freelance services, quick money. Fourth, the fastest way to get paid, offering simple freelance services. Think data entry, social media management, or virtual assistants. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are goldmines for beginners. Start with services you can deliver quickly, like creating social graphics, writing product reviews, or basic research. Price low at first to build reviews, then raise your rates as you grow. Method 5, online tutoring and courses. Finally, share your knowledge through online tutoring or simple courses. Platforms like Skillshare, Udemy, and even YouTube let you monetize what you know. You don't need to be an expert. If you can teach basic computer skills, cooking, or even a language, someone wants to learn. Turn your skills into income, one lesson at a time. Call to action. There you have 5 proven ways to start making money online in 2025. The key is to pick one method and focus on it for 30 days before trying the next. Which method are you going to try first? Drop a comment below. If this helped you, smash the like button and subscribe for more money-making strategies every week. Dare. See you in the next video, where I'll break down how to set up your first affiliate marketing campaign, step by step.